Good afternoon. How can I help you? I'm Fresh Phyllis. I want photograph of myself and my wife Philippa. Certainly, Mr. Phyllis, please fill in this form. I will fill it first. Please use this felt triple pen, Mr. Phyllis. Do you require a full form? Photographs are a profile. A full form. Do you think Philippa? Yes, a full form. Photograph. Full form. It's finished. Thank you, Mrs. Phyllis. Please sit on the sofa. Is this comfortable? Yes, it feels fine, Mr. Phyllis. Please give a friendly look. That's difficult. If you say something funny, I can laugh. And Mr. Phyllis, please look a short, a beautiful. That is finished. Finished, Mr. Phyllis. Will the photographs be ready for the feast on the veterinary? Yes, please phone my offer. After 4 days, Mr. Phyllis.